Confirmation of the National Security Minister Hermangild Francis's COVID-19 diagnosis came on Monday, April 19, 2021, during a call into the Newspin program.
On Sunday, the 11th, my wife was diagnosed with COVID-19 and taken to VH. As out of abundance of caution, I took the antigen test at Tapio on the Monday, and it showed that it was negative. But again, I didn't want to take any chances, so I cancelled the interview I had with my brother Claudius on the show for Monday night, and the show with Andre Paul on Tuesday the 13th. I then went and I retook the test on the 15th, but this time I took the PCR test, and it indicated that I was positive. I do not have any symptoms, and I think that one of the positives here is that I had already taken the first dose of the vaccine, which I think has helped. So I'm at home, quarantined.
It should be noted that confirmed cases are placed in isolation, and patients who are quarantined are considered people who may have been exposed to the virus and are awaiting test results or being monitored for the onset of symptoms during the incubation period. While the minister has not exhibited any symptoms of the viral disease, he has suspended official duties that includes deliberations in cabinet and participation in parliamentary proceedings over the past 15 days. Francis explains that modification of the diagnosis quickly gave way to concern for the people with whom he crossed paths in the ensuing days, members of the public and cabinet colleagues included. Given his high-profile status and busy schedule, the minister admits it's hard to tell how he contracted the virus.
I'm not too sure. Remember, like I told you, my wife had it, and most probably I may have contacted it there, but I'm not sure at all. But again, like you would understand as a budding politician now, I'm up and about, and I may have been the one to have infected her because my system is much stronger than hers. She has it. She having underlying conditions. So, like I said, up to a day like today, I'm not feeling any negative impact from the virus.
Senator Francis says the experience has proven very instructive, underscoring the message that COVID-19 does not discriminate, hence the need for compliance with public health measures and receiving the life-saving vaccines.
COVID-19 is a very, very, very serious and dangerous disease. So my advice to everybody is to maintain your physical distance from others, sanitize your hands frequently, wear your mask, avoid contact with persons who have flu-like symptoms, and yourself, if you are experiencing any sort of flu-like symptoms, headache, sore throat and so on, that you should take immediate action by going to visit your doctor or visiting the one of the hospitals so that you can be tested. It is a very, very rough situation. Like I said, fortunately for me, I have not experienced any symptoms. So, unlike persons who have been hospitalized and go through the trauma, I have not experienced that, and I really do not want to. So I thank God for giving me that fortitude. And like I said, I think the very good thing, and one of the lessons coming out of this, is that I think our people should take the vaccine.
Hermangild Francis is the second confirmed high-profile member of his family to contract COVID-19. Earlier this year, the minister's brother, Castries Mayor Peterson Francis, confirmed that he had survived a bout with the deadly viral disease which led to his admission at the respiratory hospital. The government senator's vitals are being constantly monitored. He is expected to remain in isolation at home for the next 10 days. Winston Springer Jr., HTS News Force.